How to make a TikTok video on Vegas Pro. First of all, you need tracks. You go here and you click on video track. You need to go to media generators. You need to choose a color. We're gonna choose green and we're gonna add it. Make sure to change the size of the color. Click on the opacity and make it a little transparent. And now for the rendering part. You need to remove the green screen. Click on the opacity and you hide it completely. What you do next is you click on render and you render in your own template that you chose. Now, as you can see, it's going to be rendering as a normal video, which is what we want. What you need right now is a website of Adobe. I'm gonna put a link in the description. You drag your video right over here. Here you can choose if you want it to be on Instagram. Now, once you do that, you click on download. You need to wait.
2 hours later.
Congratulations, you have your video and everything is perfect. Subscribe for more tutorials. Of course, if you want more tutorials, you need to type in the comments, I want more tutorials. And basically that would be it. The end.